Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set weight-based shipping rates in Odoo. So to set up weight-based shipping rates in Odoo, you typically use delivery methods with shipping rules based on product weight. So actually guys, to do that you will need first to install delivery methods features, okay? So you will need to open the Odoo official website, the dashboard right in, then just go and click on the apps. Okay, so now just go ahead and type shipping on the search bar, and here go with the DHL Express shipping, Envia shipping, FedEx shipping, so it's up to you. So for example, we will go with the DHL and then just go with confirm. Right, so you choose whatever you want, and once installed, you will get back to the dashboard right here. So now you will need to enable it or to enable that shipping method. So you will need at first to go with the inventory, okay? So that's one. All right, so here you will need to go with the configuration at the top bar here, and then just go with the settings, so it's the first option. And now you will need to scroll to the delivery methods and just enable it and save the changes at the top left corner. So right now, you will need just to go with the products option between the operations and reporting options. So just click it and click on products. And here, you will need to open products, and under the inventory tab here, you will need to set the product weight, right? So in kilograms. So for example, 10 kilograms, right? So that's just for example. And then you will need to go with save here, and right now you will need to do that with all products, okay, or repeat it for all products. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.